Davlen Design is a family-owned and operated business that has spent its lifetime helping chiropractors build clinics that allow them to provide top-notch care to their patients so they can live healthier lives. For the past 37 years, Davlen has successfully enhanced over 6,500 chiropractic practices around the world. We have helped them using either our design services or our chiropractic-specific workstations, and most of the time both. Now, most people here think design and think fancy paint, artwork on the walls, and a lot of high-end glitz and glamour. But with us, our design focuses on simplicity, speed, efficiency, flow, and capacity, cutting through the complexity often found in traditional office designs. We closely work with you to ensure that your space is not only meets your clinical and business needs, but also stays within budget. We can help you in the early stages of expansion by helping you decide if you should stay at your current location or look for something else. We help you determine how much square footage you actually need to achieve your goals, and we figure out if you truly are at max capacity. Once we determine these key elements, we will help design your space with your business and clinical goals in mind, while making sure your staff has the tools they need to work efficiently and follow your systems. What distinguishes us from your typical design firm is our innovative modular workstations. These chiropractic-specific workstations significantly reduce construction costs, ensuring that your investment is not wasted. We liken our workstations to Legos because they are designed for flexibility. They can be easily set up, rearranged, or relocated. This adaptability means that as your practice grows, you won't need to spend extra on new furniture or construction expenses. While serving over 6,500 chiropractors, we have learned that everyone's needs are different, yet similar at the same time. This is why we have many different styles and features available, making sure your business and clinical needs are met while creating the right healing environment for your patients. All of our products are designed, built, and assembled in our factory in North Carolina. Davlen Design is a family-owned business that works together to make sure the chiropractic community has the resources they need for their practice to function and flow at an optimal level.